So the last time I posted a video, I saw some people ask me where they can apply for a remote job as a freelancer. And the truth is there are lots of them. There are lots of websites you can apply for this remote job. You just have to start from somewhere. Just start from somewhere because there are lots of places you can start working as a freelancer. You can apply and start working as a freelancer. And in this video today, I'm going to mention some of the places you can apply for a remote job. So let's dive in. So first off, we have Upwork. Upwork is the chairman of the occasion. Upwork is the most popular platform for freelancers. Every freelancer knows Upwork. So I saw a message where someone was trying to say that Upwork is expensive for beginners, but I don't really think that's the case because it doesn't matter whether you're a beginner or not. You use money to apply for work on Upwork, and this money we call it connect on Upwork. When you want to apply, when you want to bid for a work on Upwork, you use connect to apply for those jobs. So in order to get those connects, you have to purchase them, you have to buy them. That is why I said it doesn't really matter whether you're a beginner or not. Upwork is not free for anyone. It's not free, so you have to buy those connects to start bidding for work. So that is what Upwork does. But one thing I like about Upwork is security. So let me tell you, if you get a job on Upwork and you are clocking in, your money is assured. As long as you're not doing fraud, your money is assured, except you're not clocking in the way it's supposed to be. So you're not in a situation where you get a client outside of work, let's say Facebook, or because you can get a client from Facebook, any social media platform, you can get a client from anywhere, Twitter, and all that. So in a situation, some clients sometimes they want the freelancer to move it to Upwork because that way they are sure that you're going to do your work. And the freelancer, on the other hand, will be scared because you don't know if this client is going to pay you, and sometimes they want to ask the client to give them advance payment, and the client might not be comfortable. And also, what if after working for the client he doesn't pay you, or the client doesn't pay you rather? Like, it happens. There are a lot of people that have complained, so you never can tell. But on Upwork, as long as you've signed the contract, as long as you started work and you are clocking in, you are going to get your money from the client. Upwork is going to pay you automatically. They're going to get your money from the client. So that's one thing I like about Upwork. The next one is the Fiverr Marketplace. So Fiverr works a bit different from Upwork. Here you create an engaging gig that showcases your services. Whether you're an English teacher, Igbo teacher, virtual assistant, no matter what you are, create an engaging gig that showcases your services. You just have to set up your profile very well and let the clients come to you. Set up your profile and let the clients come to you. So this is how Fiverr works. So the key here is creating an engaging gig that grabs attention. This is how, like, you have to make it easy for the client to understand you. It's like, think of it like a storefront, your personal storefront, where you are selling things and then people are coming to you to buy. So you have to make it easy for the client to understand you. You have to set up your profile, optimize your profile, create your gig, showcase your services, and then let the clients come to you. This is how Fiverr works. So the next one is the freelancer.com. So under freelancer.com, it is very similar to Upwork, and they're very similar, just like Upwork. They also allow you to bid on jobs. You have to have a very strong proposal for you to stand out in all these platforms I mentioned. You really have to have a very strong proposal to stand out because it is highly competitive. So you have to have a strong proposal. Your cover letter have to be on top of the game for you to stand out in these platforms. So freelancer.com is very similar to Upwork. We bid on jobs. Instead of using Connect, Upwork use Connect. This one we call it bid under Freelancer. They call it bid. So bid is what we use to apply for work. And when you open freelancer.com, I think they give you about 3 bids. So the 3 bid means you have to bid for work 3 times. I think so. So subsequently, you will have to subscribe to their Freelancer Plus to get their premium version, all those things. To get, I think they will give you about 100 or so. I think so. They will give you about 100 bids to bid for work. So that is about freelancer.com. They are very similar to Upwork, and these platforms, like I said, please, you really have to go and learn and be skilled at what you do because it's very, very competitive. Your proposal really needs to stand out for you to apply for work on these platforms. Another place you can apply for a remote job is LinkedIn. Please don't underestimate the power of networking. A lot of you look down on LinkedIn a lot, and I don't know why. LinkedIn is great. LinkedIn is one place you can network and then you will land yourself a client. It's not a joke. Just by networking on LinkedIn, you can land yourself a client. One thing I like about LinkedIn is that you can source for the clients directly. You can send them an email, send them a tailored email showcasing your services, telling them what you can do for them. You can add your portfolio there, tell them your skill, your expertise, and all that. Same thing, just by doing that, you can land yourself a client. It's not all those jobs, all those LinkedIn jobs that I'm talking about. No, you can source for the recruiter, people that are recruiting remote work. You can source for the hiring managers. Then you can send them a direct email on LinkedIn. Just look for their email, send them the email, tell them what you can do for them, and by doing that, you can land yourself a client. You need to go and optimize your LinkedIn if you have not done that. You go and optimize your LinkedIn, go and just start posting, start putting yourself out there, just network. If you're a freelancer, LinkedIn is another great place for you, especially if you don't have money to pay for all these platforms. You can start from LinkedIn and you're going to see results. So all these platforms I mentioned, you have to start from somewhere. I know as a freelancer it can be very difficult at times. It can really be very difficult, but you have to start from somewhere. If you don't have money to pay for all these platforms, start from LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a great place for freelancers. These are just some of the platforms you can explore to start your freelance journey. It's all about being consistent. It's all about knowing what you want to do. Start by learning a skill. Start by creating an account. Just start from somewhere. And let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video to whom I find it very helpful. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.